Hello. Today's setup of my test slides for our project going forward. This is run through some of the slides I have, presentation I have built already. I'm going to be discussing the evolution of Progress's flow. It's a case study in how the flow campaign has progressed over the years. I'm going to talk about introduction. It was created in 2008. Some characteristics about her: quirky, fun, lovable character. Who's been featured in well over 100 advertisement spots, and initially just started as a single ad spot, and the actress herself had ad-libbed the line that they had left in, and they felt a strong connection to the character, and Progressive has gone with it ever since. We'll talk about the introduction again, beginning years of flow through the years and how they revamped her and kept her relevant and built on momentum. Her online presence and how it's grown and helped Progressive even further, and then what are the plans for the future of Flow. Talk about the campaign, what was their goal, how they set it up, how they carried it out, and what was the reaction to Flow. And then talk about Flow's presence on social media and Facebook, Twitter, on TV campaigns, and in print. The pros and cons of Flow. There has been some overload, but we'll talk about what has worked, what hasn't worked, and how they've had to change their platform going forward with her, and then some opportunities that they could have done better. And then we'll wrap it up. I think I missed a slide there, but then we'll wrap it up and talk about where Flow is going. If it's been a positive influence or a negative one. Honestly, it's been a pretty positive outcome, but we'll talk about that. And then we'll end it with some questions. But there's my test slides uploaded to my YouTube channel, and look forward to presenting it in full in the next couple weeks. Thank you very much.